Nice to see ya. This is my empty Chanel dust bag. Well, there's stuffing in there that I keep in my bags, but that's what I brought home from the Chanel in Neiman Marcus. What was in this bag? My Chanel 19. My beautiful, beautiful red Christmas present. I noticed something on this bag, something along one of the seams, and it was about a little less than an inch. I will insert photos. I kept that thing boxed up until Christmas Day, and I did get to use it in January, February, March. I reached out to the store in New York where I bought her from, and they said that I should be able to get taken care of out of here, so I ended up at Neiman's. I went there to pick up my second pair of earrings that were repaired. I'll show you those as well. Those were complimentary. The lady saw it. She saw it right away what I was talking about, and we just could not figure out if it's something in the seam, in the stitching, if it's something coming up through the leather. I don't use any cleaner on it. I was recommended by the leather surgeons to not use leather cleaner on it. They say to clean your bags with a damp cloth. That way you don't get a buildup of coating of these different cleaners that people use. I know sometimes it's hard not to want to condition your leather. But with this kind of leather, when I got this bag, it was my first time owning this kind of leather. So I did reach out to them. My Jumbo, I do clean her with some cleaner and conditioner. Not a lot. I use it sparingly. I haven't noticed a buildup, but I've had her for 6 years, so I am going to send her off to spa just to get, pulled and tightened and whatnot, and then they'll do the professional cleaning from there. But with this goatskin type of bag, I did not want to use cleaner because I didn't know what to use, so that's why I went to them. I keep my bags stuffed, keep them in their dust bags constantly. I don't display them out or anything like that. I keep them protected. So this was really confusing what this spot was, and I could not tell where it was coming from. Thankfully, the store is going to do this complimentary service on it. They're going to send it off. It's going to be analyzed, and they're either going to repair or replace or what have you. It's complimentary because it is such a new bag. So if you do buy a bag and you find that you have a problem, don't wait. Do not wait. Get it in while it's complimentary, while it's less of an onus on possibly something that you might have done. It's just in a really weird spot, and it's just in that singular spot. The rest of the bag is just fine. So yeah, I came home from Neiman's with my dust bag and my stuffing that I keep in her because I haven't used her since I noticed this issue. So yeah, she stayed home once I noticed this issue. I was like, I'm not using you. You're staying stuffed. You're staying bagged. But it was great service. It was great service. I have no idea how long it's going to take. I'm projecting 4 weeks or more to at least find out what's going on with her. So I'm glad I have 2 red bags. So when I'm in the mood to wear red, I still have my Capucines to use for that. But right now I'm in love with my Hermes bag. I'm using that for everything. But again, another repair process, and I'm just keeping it honest as I've always done about all my repairs and the outcomes and what I think. When I had my niece BB sent in, I knew that was structural, flat out structural. And I rebought the bag later on because I really missed that piece. I really missed having that piece. So with this bag, I'm hoping it is not something that they can't fix, or if they can't give me another new one, because this was basically brand new. So I'm hoping that's the turnout, because I do. I love this bag. I love the color. I love the Chanel 19. I want one in a different color, and I'm even looking at the tweeds. But right now, there's no bags that I want, believe it or not. I don't know what's going on. There are other things going on in our life that might end up taking us elsewhere, so I think my mind is more focused on that. But I'm not seeing any bags right now that I want. I am totally happy with my latest bag and with what I have. So it's temporary purse piece because I know something's going to turn my head in another couple months. I know that's happening. But my earrings, when I dropped that baby off, I picked up my little bag. Yes, it's expensive fashion jewelry, but if you buy fashion jewelry at Target, they're not going to repair it for you, right? And I had picked these because I loved the mixed metals, the black, the gold, the clear in it. My repair came back at the perfect time for football season because I do wear these when we're watching games or if we're at games, because this is our team colors, the Saints, black and gold. Yeah, that's why I bought these. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I've never had to turn anything into Chanel as far as a bag goes. I will update you guys on how it's going and let you know what they decide. So if you see pictures, it's not because she's back. It's just because I have them on my camera roll. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys that sad news because I really love that bag. But I do have my red capucines to use when I'm feeling funky and sexy and want to look really cute with my outfit. So at least I have 2 red bags. I'm glad I bought 2 red bags last year. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to follow along. Follow on my Instagram, My Cosmo Lifestyle. Be a part of my Cosmo Lifestyle friends and family, because I am here to talk to you guys about many more things beyond shopping, beyond luxury shopping. There's great shopping all over. So, and life, kids, travel, food, whatever. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.